Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can be able to create a PayPal account. A PayPal account that can allow you to send money and receive money, and also allow you to withdraw your fund from your account. So in this video I will show you what is currently working on PayPal, because PayPal always drop new policies, and this has made a lot of individuals not to create a successful PayPal account that can receive and also send funds to other people. So in this video I will show you how you can be able to create a PayPal account that is fully working, that can allow you to send, receive funds and also withdraw your funds. So don't skip any single part of this particular video or the process that I'm going to be showing you, because there are a lot of information in which you need to follow and you can be able to get started with it. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Kelechi Franklin, and what I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks. When they work for me, I share it with you, and then you go ahead and do the same thing. So all you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button if it's your first time to join me on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and go to the comment section, type PayPal. Let us create an algorithm and make this video to go a long way. So all I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks and strategies in which when they work, I share them with you, including crypto information and all of that. So without wasting much time, let's go down to the video. So PayPal on its own is a payment processor which helps you to receive your funds from workers, from individuals, or even from marketplaces. So for those of you who are freelancers, who are affiliate marketers, and you also do work online, then you need to create a verified PayPal account in order for you to receive your funds and all of that. But one thing here is that if you are in Nigeria and you want to create a verified PayPal account that can send and receive funds from individuals or people who you work for, it's actually so difficult and it can lead to a dead end, because this simply means that you end up creating a PayPal account and you cannot receive funds from PayPal, but you can be able to use it to make payments of things online and all of that. But to receive funds will actually be a problem. But in this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy in which you can be able to use in order for you to make this possible and start receiving funds and you get paid with your PayPal account without stress. So all you just need to do is to follow through, as I'm going to be showing you everything you need to do in order for you to create this verified PayPal account, and then you get started. So you guys, if you use the normal PayPal, which is the paypal.com, so if you go to your normal browser and you type paypal.com, it will bring you to this particular home page or this drop down menu, where you will see that you can only be able to buy and send. You cannot be able to receive funds. As you can see here, they say you should make payments on eBay, pay on site, pay on mobile, and other ways you can use PayPal. So this paypal.com, this is the only places it can bring you, especially if you are in Nigeria. Your IP will bring you to this particular page. Once you type your paypal.com, it will bring you like this, and you can only buy and send funds. But with what I'm going to be showing you right now, that is why you need to stick very close to this video to the very end. Don't miss any part, because I will show you how you can be able to create this particular PayPal account and then you get started. All you just need to do is to use the paypal.com/AE. Yes, using paypal.com/AE. This link will be dropped in the description box in this video, so that you can be able to access it and be able to get started with it. So all I just need to do right now is to type on the paypal.com/AE in order for me to get started with this. So once you click on paypal.com/AE, it will bring you to this particular home page, and as you can see, this is quite different from what we saw in the last one, which is this one allow you to just buy and send, which is you can make payment and then send payment, but you cannot be able to receive. Why this other one allows you to be able to make payments and get paid. As you can see, it can allow you to get paid, send funds, and then do other stuff that you want to do with PayPal. So all you just need to do is to follow through. When I say paypal.com.ae simply means Arab Emirate, which means you are using another country's IP code in order for you to get started or register on PayPal. So all you just need to do right now is to sign up. If you have not signed up or you are new, all you just need to do is sign up and then you get started. But before I go through, I want to show you that I have been using this and it has been working for me. And I will show you, I'll take you down to my account in which I have been able to use. And as you can see here, this ad, which I have been using it for quite some time. This was December, whereby I received payment and also withdraw payment from my PayPal. And as you can see right now, I don't have any fund on my PayPal account or balance. And as you can see, this case resources and all of that. This is my account, as you can see, Kelechi Franklin, and I have been able to be using it for quite some time right now. And all you just need to do is to follow through, as I'm going to be showing you which account or working paper in which you can be able to do, or the process in which you can be able to do in order for you to use it and you get started with it. So this is what I'm going to be showing you right now. That's why you don't need to skip any part of this video. So stick to the very end so that you can be able to get started. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is to click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, it will load up. I'm allowing it to load up. So once you click on the sign up button, it will bring you to this drop down menu where you have to choose whether you want it to be a personal account or you want it to be a business account. I will always say it is very important that you put it on a business account so that it can give you more features and PayPal will be able to know that you use it for business, whereby you can be able to use it to receive funds from people where you work, whether as a Upwork or you work as a freelancer or you are an affiliate marketer and all of that. So it will give you an opportunity for you to be able to receive payment. PayPal will not be able to restrict you from all of that. But if you use the personal account, it will not give you more features, and sometimes when the money is the limited amount in which is expected, they will restrict your account. So all I have to do right now is to click on the business account. So I'll click on the business account and then I'll allow it to load up. So once it loads up, it will appear like this. It will give you this drop down menu where you have to put in your email account. So it has a question, PayPal question about PayPal and all of that. Okay, I'll cancel it. Then I will now put in the email account in which I want to make use in this particular PayPal account. So I'll put in my email address and then I'll click on continue. So I'll put in this email account. After putting it, I'll click on the continue. Once I click on continue, I would like to load up. It do not tell me to enter my password for my account, so I have to put in the password and I'll click on continue again. So I'll click on continue after putting my password. Then I'd like to load up. Right now it will bring down this drop down menu like this, telling you to put or tell us about your business. This is where you have to put in your business name or your business contact and all of that. Right here, I'll put in my name, which is I'll put in my name. Okay, see. So I'll put in my name, and then once I put in my name and my business details, in which I also put here, then down below here you will see an option telling you to put in your business phone number. In this particular aspect, you can now decide to put in your Nigeria phone number. So I'll click on it, then I'll look for Nigeria. I'll look for the Nigerian aspect. So I'll put in the Nigerian. Okay, I'll put in my phone number. So guys, after putting in my business detail, I'll put in my phone number as you can see on my screen. Then the next thing that you put in is your business address, in which you have to put in your business address where you currently live in Nigeria. I'll put it. Then I'll put in the city. Then I'll now go to, you will see where they wrote in Emirates. Where exactly do you stay in Emirates? You can decide to choose wherever you want to choose in the Emirates. So I will choose on Abu Dhabi. Let me choose on Abu Dhabi. Then I will now choose which account, what is my primary currency in which I want. I'll leave it at the USD dollar, and then I'll come to these terms and agreement, and then I'll click on continue and agree. Then I will now click on agree and continue. Once I click on agree and continue, to take me to the next page where I have to put in where I have to describe my business. As you can see on the screen, it is appearing like this, that I should describe the type of business that I do. Now I have to select which kind of business that I do, and as you can see, different drop down menu in which you can be able to choose. But in this particular video, I will choose this individual and sole proprietorship. So in this aspect of the product or service keyword, all I have to do is to put in the keyword in which that I will be using. So I will have to type in the keyword, which is professional service. Okay, professional service. Okay, it will appear. Then if you have a website, you can decide to put in your website if you have any, but if you don't have, you can still leave it as optional. Then you click on continue, then it will load up. This is the area where you have to put in your detail about you, and here I'll put in my month, my day is 31st, then my month is July. I'll choose July. Okay, then I will now choose my date of birth, in which I'll put in. So after putting in my date of birth, then the next thing I'll do, I'll select my nationality, where I'll choose in Nigeria. Then I'll put in my passport, where I'll choose my international passport. I'll put on the passport. Then I'll put in my passport number, in which I'll put it in. I have it here already, so I'll put it. Then I'll plead, if you have an international passport, use it. It is best for this. But if you have your national ID card, you can still use it. It will still serve for you, or your driving license, whatever thing you have, you can also use it. Then the next thing I have to do is to put in my home address. I'll click on same as business address. I'll click on it, and then I'll now click on submit. Once I click on submit, it will now take me to the next page. And as you can see guys, it has been successfully created. As you can see, it's loading up, the interface is loading up, that the account has been created. I'm waiting for it to load up properly, my network. Okay, and as you can see, it has been successful, and you can see it say welcome to PayPal commercial platform, where you find tools that can help your business grow and succeed. So I'll click on OK, and as you can see, this Casey Hustle account has been created. But that's not it guys, don't move away. All you just need to do right now is to go to your email account. Go to your email account and verify. After you have done all of these things that I've shown you, the next thing you need to do is to go to your email account and then verify your account. I have just verified my account. On my phone, in my email, and then I've done that. I just refreshed. Then all I have to do right now is to save. Then now if you have verified your account and you have refreshed your account in your laptop, if you are using your laptop, or if you are using your phone, fine. All you just need to do, the next thing you need to do is to go on the setting icon. So you click on the setting icon up here, you will see your profile here at the top here. All you just need to do is to click on account setting. Once you click on account settings, it will load up and it will appear like this. Let me drag myself here. Okay, sorry. It will appear like this. Then what you just need to do is to go to your business information. Go to your business information, so that you can be able to update your information right there, so that PayPal will be able to give you a lot of features in which you can be able to accept and receive payment or whatever you want to do. So I'll click on update. So once it appears like this, all you just need to do is to click on edit again. So once it appears like this, you can decide to change your business name. You can also change your business type. If it's an individual, you want to put it on sole proprietorship, or you select other type of business. Once you click on the other type of business, you will now have to put in details of what the business is all about. So I'll leave it on this individual. Then you can see here other things are here. They say what kind of product or service do you use. I say professional services, which is okay for me. Then I'll go down. If you have a company website, you can also decide to put your URL link here, and then here they say custom service phone number. You can decide to put in your phone number here in this particular region, and then you put your customer service, in which I have to put in my email account here, and then I'll click on save. Once I click on save, it will appear. As you can see, they say your information has been updated. Ensure that you update all of these things in order for your PayPal account to be fully verified. Once this has been done, you will still go back again to your business information again. We will still go back to the business information again. Let me go to the account again, then go back to the business information area. You still have to go to your where you see credit card statement. You have to edit. You still have to edit all of that, and this your sales volume. You have to edit all of those stuff in order for it to. So you go to this edit your business information here. Then all you just need to do is to edit. Here they say your credit card statement name. So I have to put in my real name here, put in cross-check, put in my card name, which is Kelechi, and the long one, Kelechi Franklin Legoye. Then down here, I have to now select the sales volume, in which I will select on other marketplace. This is other marketplace simply means that I am getting paid on other platforms aside from eBay and on my own website. Then I'll just click on this other marketplace. Then I'll now go down. Once I go down, I'll now select the average transaction per price. This is where a lot of people have a lot of issues. I'll select on less than $98. Then I will now click on the average per month. I'll also click on $18,000, and then in this particular percentage annually, I'll click the last one, which is 75% to 100%. Then once I click on 75% to 100%, so once you're able to do this particular stuff correctly, you hardly get restriction when people send money to you. So once you do all of these things, you click on save. So guys, as you can see, after you have done that, you can see that they will say your information has been saved. So once you have been able to do all of these things, all you just need to do is to go back to your home browser, and then you go to your account. You can be able to receive and get paid and all of that. So your account is fully ready for you to be able to send, receive and withdraw your phone. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to link your card, which card you can be able to use, or the card that I use in withdrawing. And in my next video too, where I'll be showing you guys how to link your bank account or your bank card. So all you just need to do is to stick to this particular channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time, and don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you will be the first that YouTube will notify whenever I drop videos like this. In my next video, I'll be able to show you how you can be able to link your bank account and show you the card that is working on PayPal that you can be able to use in withdrawing your phone. So do well to stick to this channel so that whenever I drop informative videos and educative videos like this, you'll be notified and all of that. See you on my next video. Peace.